Welcome, young adventurers, to a journey of discovery. Today, we're going to explore our amazing world and learn about its wonders. Are you ready for an exciting adventure? Fantastic! Let's set off on our exploration. Our first stop is the city. Can you see all the tall buildings and cars zooming by? Cities are vibrant places where many people live and work. They're full of energy and excitement. Now, let's travel to the countryside. Look at the green fields and peaceful countryside. Here you can find farms where farmers grow crops and raise animals like sheep, cows, and chickens. Welcome to the jungle! It's a wild and lush place filled with exotic plants and animals. Can you hear the chirping birds and buzzing insects? Let's explore and see what creatures we can find. Next, we're off to the savannah. It's a wide open grassland where animals like lions, elephants, and giraffes live. Can you spot any animals roaming in the distance? Ahoy, mateys! We've reached the ocean, the largest body of water on Earth. It's home to amazing marine life like fish, dolphins, and whales. Let's dive in and discover the wonders beneath the waves. Brr, it's cold here. We're in the icy Arctic, where polar bears and penguins roam. Even though it's freezing, this frozen land is full of life and beauty. What an incredible journey we've had, exploring the diverse landscapes of our world. Remember, there's so much to learn and discover everywhere we go. Keep exploring, keep learning, and never stop wondering about the world around you.